Hello dear friends, my name is Misha from Crypto Verdict channel and I'm here to give you the information you need about the crypto world. Please note that I'm not a financial advisor and the information presented here is my own opinion and should not be considered a financial advice. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to create Ethereum wallet, also called hot wallet. The steps are very simple and if followed properly you should have an ETH wallet in no time. For maximum security, you should use a hardware wallet such as Nano Ledger or Trezor, known as cold wallet. Okay, so the first step is to access www.myetherwallet.com, as I already did that. Please be sure to access the correct website and look out for phishing pages and clones. The second step is to input your desired password. Please choose a unique and complex password, okay, which you will write down and memorize in case you forget it. Let's say test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inventive, right? Okay. Then click Create New Wallet button. This is your key store file, which you will have to download it. This is the third step, by the way. Make sure to save your key store file on a memory stick in case your PC gets virused or damaged. Okay, download it and click Understand Continue. And the fourth step, save your private key and make sure you keep it in a very safe place because this is the access to your own wallet. Let's say I'm going to print it here. Okay, save it on your PC or in a text document and keep it in a safe place. And then click Save Your Address. Okay, there you go. You have created your own wallet in 4 easy steps. Now you will have to access it. And how can you do that? There are two options. The first one is with your key store file, which you have downloaded. Go to the top of the page. Okay, select Send Ether in Tokens, and then select the key store JSON file. Okay, select the file. Okay, and then input your password from the beginning. Test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Unlock. Click unlock. And there you go. This is your wallet. And the second option is to, let me show you. Okay. Okay. I'm going to make another one to show you how can you go with your private key. Oh, by the way, no. I'm going to put my private key to input it here. Okay. This technology. Okay, and then click unlock. There you go. This is your wallet. Okay. Please make sure to save your account address in a very safe place. Okay. And then this was it. I hope you found my tutorial useful, and I hope that in the future you will also like, subscribe, comment and share. Okay. Check out also for my other social media in the description below. Thank you for watching, and remember, knowledge is power. See you soon. Bye.